What's up, y'all? It's a Full here, back again with another unboxing for Just Saying. This time around we're doing another big three. We did the big three individual, but now this time we're doing the big three all in one. So this one is with the Razor tank tops Delta Vent that they released a while back. I haven't got around to getting those. I don't think I got a Delta Vent tank top yet, Razor tank yet. So hopefully these are pretty good. I'll probably wear them tomorrow since today is a active rest day. So I'm just gonna wear my Golden Dawn with my Shinobu shorts. Usually the Shinobu ones I usually wear on active rest days because they have white, and like I told y'all about white, it doesn't go good with me. It's get dirty too easily. But let's get to this opening so we don't stall too long. So might not need any scissors or anything for this one because the bag just opened up pretty easy. But we got also 2 button-ups in here and another surprise for a photo that I'm gonna do. But with what I got, maybe might have an idea for it. So you already saw little clips of that, but let's go through organized. So they didn't do it with the packaging this time. They did it with individual things, not like with those where they put this in. It's not in these this time around. It's just in the packaging itself. So did we get everything? I feel like we're missing something. Oh, I think they forgot something. Son of a gun. I think they forgot a packaging thing. This is like the first time I've seen it where they forgot something for me. They forgot the Luffy tank top. My main one. Hold on real quick. Let me just check my order. Oh, they forgot 2 things, even what I wanted before. What the heck? This is the first time they left 2 orders out. What the hell's going on over there? Sorry guys. So the unboxing won't be as good as in the past. Sorry about that. But I want to do what ones they have right now, so we're not going to do a huge video. I might just show off the Bankai one just because. But we'll do the button-ups first. So we got 2 button-ups, actually. Oh, weird. Never mind. So they got 1 in here, so we're missing 1 thing really. Let me check around because I just saw that it was in here. So maybe it's got stuck on something. Or maybe it's all in one in here this time around too. We'll find out. We'll open it up. We'll see what we're missing, and then we'll get with support if we are missing anything. But weird how they don't do it sometimes. Like sometimes they put in those things so it's a bit organized and all that. And this time around, why the hell did they put that with the freaking stickers? Like what? Anyways, so we'll open up the Luffy button up first. This one is the one he has at Dressrosa. Ooh, it feels like the material is a bit different maybe. Could be wrong. Let me open it up. No, it's still the same. Just the top, the collar felt a little different. But yeah, there's the Dressrosa Luffy, aka Lucy. Next, we'll open up what I would say what the photo is. So hopefully y'all will know. So, we ended up getting the Frankie button up. Pretty nice. I like that the inside has his like logo with it. Plus the blue looks real nice. Let me see, what did they have for yeah, so even here they have just the gum fruit and then this pirate flag, so that's not bad. Next we got some underwear, so we'll see how this goes. So we got some Just Saying underwear. They're blue. Hopefully it works pretty good. I'm a little worried that the front part might not be too good. I did get a large, like probably should get an extra large, but we'll see. So let's go to Naruto, since we have no idea where that's at for Luffy. We got Naruto's joggers. This one we went with the Believe It ones. Not bad. So we didn't get the Believe It tank top or Razor tank for the fact that we got the Believe It regular shirt. So I didn't want that. I thought it would be better to have it on the shorts for this. And then for the tank, we just got the regular logo. I thought that might look pretty good. Instead of Believe It in the center, go with the regular one there, and then just Believe It for the pants. Pants and shorts that I have. I think that's pretty cool, in my opinion. But we'll go there. Let's open up this Luffy one to see maybe if the razor might be in here. Because I'm looking around, I don't see it at all. Nope, it's not in here. So it looks like we're going to have to get with support. And see, that always throws off my videos, man, whenever we're missing something or something doesn't go like you think. But oh well, the joggers are pretty good. We did the Vit joggers before with the Deku 2.0. So not bad. You see right here the vent, and then just like the shorts on Luffy's, you have the Red Hawk. So go with the Bankai one right now. So there we go. Bankai. So this one I probably won't wear too often, just for the fact that it's white. You know what I mean? Like I said earlier, white ain't the best for me. Move around with those plates and you get a bit too close, it turns it dark quick. So for days I don't use plates as much, I'll wear this one. But for now, we'll enjoy it for the amazingness of the Bankai. Because like I said in that video, I loved how they did it. Bankai there with his sword, the back as it gets to a test show. I can show it better. There you go, a little bit when I swing it. But yeah, I got that, and then I showed the shorts, the joggers, but like I said, the K and the sword right there. Let's see. Right there. I always think that's so dope. One guy to the N and the K right there. Woo! So tight, so nice. But yeah, that's everything, y'all. So kind of a little disappointed since I wear so much for them, and this is the first time they messed up, like sort of bad. But like I said, you all saw me take it out. It was in here for the underwear, which usually they never put anything in the sticker bag. Use the sticker bag solo. And look, there's nothing else in the bag. Turn it inside out. Nothing else. Move the camera, and I'm sorry, don't ignore the mess, but see, there's all the bags are empty. So I did not get my tank. My Luffy Razor tank top did not come in. So I wanted to get with support on that, and I'll update you on that on my next video. I know I didn't update you all on this one with the JoJo jacket. I haven't worn it yet. It's been too damn hot to wear. So I was like, I ain't gonna wear that. I'll let y'all know, I'll update y'all right now that's why I haven't, because that is hot AF in there. But anyways, y'all, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. My switch, I'm not going to show off any of the gear right now because I'm kind of not in the mood after this, you know. So I'm just going to end it off there and make an email right now to support. All right, y'all, take care. Peace. We're back. So before the video came out, after my past recording with the missing gear in the box opening, we ended up actually getting it beforehand. So I sent the email. Took a little bit of time for the email to reply back. I did send it like on that Thursday. We opened it. Didn't get reply back till Tuesday. I emailed Mark, I think Tuesday morning, and then that's when it came in with the support getting back to me. I don't know if emailing Mark had a little upbringing to cause it maybe to come in or not. I'm not too sure. All I know is I emailed support hello@justsaying.co on Thursday. Then Tuesday, email mark@justsaying.co, and then eventually the gear, they got back with me saying, oh, sorry, here we go, sent the gear out already. So let's get to opening it up, and then I will show off the gear for this one only because, you know, Luffy's my favorite. So I had to do Luffy over everyone else, and I wore Luffy's joggers the other day, so I have those already washed and everything. So I have them right there on the side instead of going through the other ones that I already have put up on the closet. So here's the Delta style tank, and it is an extra large. Show it off real quick, and then we will put this on. So got the tank top now. Probably wear this one on back day. I'll probably wear the shorts actually with this one because it's kind of hot. It's getting hot here in Texas. So there we go. There's the front, the back with the Red Hawk. So yeah, it looks pretty good. We're gonna wear this one. This is what I'm gonna wear today. Got my Zoro, and then little cut shorts for Broly Delta. So we'll be back. Hopefully this looks good with the thing. All right, y'all, be right back. And we're back, y'all. As you can see, looks pretty snazzy. I like Razor tanks a lot more now. I guess actually getting some muscle on me. I actually like them a bit more now. But overall, the extra large feels nice. I do have larges. See how much extra loose it is from here? So I like that feeling a lot better than the mediums and larger. I feel it a little bit tighter on me. I'm not a big fan of feeling contained. Y'all already know that. But looks pretty fire throughout. So we're gonna move this down a bit. So I got both logos in there. So here's the front view. Side view, no Red Hawk on the side, just on the joggers. The back, got the Red Hawk on the back. Got no Red Hawk on this side either, just on the joggers, not like the long sleeve and short sleeves where the Red Hawk is on the side. But overall, y'all, I love these sets. So now I got the full big three going. I'm gonna hang this one up. They're gonna get the respect they deserve, which is hanging in the closet. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for sticking by and watching it all, because this might be a little bit longer because we had to redo a recap of us getting the package and adding that into the original. So hopefully it's all is good. Hopefully you all enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Take care.